to look at setting up custom workflows. In this case, you'll likely be creating all the various workflow components from scratch and bypassing the system built-in options. So I suggest working backwards from the email template all the way through to the form. And this avoids stepping on your own toes, otherwise you'll need to be assigning items to items you're working on that haven't yet been created. So starting with the email templates, under email notifications, email templates, we'd create a new template. You could duplicate the system template as a starting point using the duplicate function, or start from scratch with your own code. So once the template has been edited, so we'll call it new template, and saved, we can move on to the custom workflow email. So under email notifications, workflow emails. Add a new workflow email, set an appropriate name, assign the template we just created, set the subject line and the from email address and name. For the content, you can use the email data button to insert liquid collections to further use in your coding, along with your own custom HTML and messages. And just a tip here, you may even want to go back to the default system email and copy its code just as a starting point. So we'll just put in content. So once this is saved, we can add the custom workflow rule to control when this email notification is sent. So under email notifications and workflows, click on add new workflow and set an appropriate name and choose the email that we just created. You can also add new workflow emails on the fly at this step. Then we can move down, adding our recipient email addresses, and even multiple recipients if needed. So once that workflow is saved, we can assign it to the form that will trigger it. So under content, forms, choosing the desired form, and under settings, we can assign the workflow we've just created. And once the form is saved, the new custom workflow will now be in place and will be triggered upon this form's submission.